When it comes to securely storing your cryptocurrency for the long term, Tangem wallets stand out as one of the most reliable options. Tangem wallets are physical, tamper-proof smart cards that provide an extra layer of security beyond typical software wallets. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that require cables or software interfaces, Tangem wallets operate completely offline, making them immune to phishing attacks, malware, or hacking attempts. The key advantage of Tangem wallets is their simplicity combined with military-grade security. Each card contains a secure element chip that stores your private keys safely. Accessing your funds requires physical possession of the card, which significantly reduces the risk of remote theft. For long-term holders, this means you can confidently store your assets without worrying about software updates, device compatibility, or online vulnerabilities. Tangem wallets are particularly appealing for users looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies in a single solution. They support major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens. This wide compatibility ensures that your digital portfolio remains secure and accessible without the need for multiple wallets or complicated setups. The wallet also integrates seamlessly with mobile apps for occasional transactions, without compromising security. Another notable feature is the wallet's durability and design. Tangem cards are resistant to water, bending, and extreme temperatures, making them ideal for long-term storage, even in challenging environments. The cards themselves are lightweight, portable, and discreet, allowing for safe storage in secure locations such as safes, safety deposit boxes, or personal vaults. In terms of investment, Tangem wallets are cost-effective. Prices typically range from $29 to $49 per card, which is a reasonable expense considering the level of security provided. For those holding significant amounts of cryptocurrency, this small investment provides peace of mind and eliminates the risks associated with online storage. Overall, for anyone serious about long-term cryptocurrency storage, Tangem wallets offer a combination of advanced security, simplicity, and durability that is unmatched by most other options in the market today.